All right, so it's time for another Week to Wicked, and behind us is our Squarebody C10, and we need something to drive that alternator and the power steering. What do we have?
Well, we've got a Holley accessory drive. This is set up for an LS3 motor, which is right here. That was provided by Gandrid Chevrolet of Green Bay, Wisconsin, and we're going to be using an alternator, power steering pump. That's it. That's all we got to drive. So it's super simple. Uses a stock LS3 water pump. We swap out a couple pulleys and idlers and some brackets, and we're ready to rock and roll.
He's almost kind of like a factory deal.
Real similar, real similar.
Yeah, all right, that's going to work out well.
Yeah.
Obviously, this oil pan is not going to work. It's not going to clear the Heights crossmember.
Right, it's a little big. It's a little deep in the front, so what we have here is a Holley pan that is shallow in the front. It's going to clear the Heights crossmember and give us all the room we need. So
it's a little more streamlined, but still holds the 6 quarts of oil.
Yeah, still holds plenty of oil, all that kind of stuff. It's a high-performance pan as far as those go.
So normally, this truck comes with like a clamshell motor mount.
Yeah.
But with our Heights crossmember, we've got to switch that up a little bit.
Right, and what they use is basically what's a standard small block Chevy mount, essentially the 3-hole. And we have 2 pairs of Holley mounts. One will set the motor back a little farther, one will bring it a little more forward, and they use the small block Chevy mounts that'll bolt right up to that Heights crossmember.
Cool. Why don't we get this accessory drive bolted to the engine, motor mounts on, and get the engine in the truck.
Let's do it.